21 healthy habits to start in 2021. A new year is the perfect time to build new and improve habits, especially after the year that was 2020. Whatever you are working on that New Year's resolution or trying to get back on the wagon with your goals. Try these 21 healthy habits to change the game for yourself in this year. 21 things to start doing in 2021. To build habits that work in every area of your life, we are going to divide them up into the 7 goal categories: health, mindset, career, relationships, wealth, spiritual, legacy. Health. Take vitamins every day. Start your year off strong by keeping your body healthy. I started taking care of vitamins because you can customize what comes in your daily packs and always get exactly what you need. Drink 16 oz of water every morning. We tend to get dehydrated overnight. Don't let your body stay that way. Start each morning off with the habit of hydration and commit to drinking at least 16 oz of water before you start the coffee. Schedule your sleep. Put what time you need to be in bed on your calendar so you can plan the rest of your evening routine around it. To find your ideal bedtime, find your wake up time, plan your long you need to be sleep for, and find the time you need to be in bed in order to achieve that goal. Mindset. Write everything down. Don't task your brain with remembering every little detail of your life. Instead of stressing over forgetting the important things, write everything down and keep it in a place where you can reference it later. Make your bed. If you can't do the thing that takes 30 seconds, how can you expect yourself to show up for the bigger tasks? Start the day by making your bed so you can get that initial accomplishment under your belt. Read a page every morning. Put an end to an excuse of never having time to read and commit to reading one page every morning. I read a page of daily Stoic before I start each day to keep my mind safe in check. Career. Keep an achievements log. Make time to celebrate yourself. Keep a running list of the things you achieve so you can look back on your progress over time. Pro tip. Keep this list is also super beneficial if you need to update your resume. Take notes after meetings. Create the habit of jotting down some notes after every meeting to make sure you take action on the things that needed attended to. Maybe you need to book an appointment, complete a task, or reach out to someone. Make a note so you can stay on top of your game. Accept criticism regularly. This one can be a little tough, but it's important to take criticism regularly so you can continue to grow and learn. Relationships. Keep track of birthdays. I used to Hip app to help me never forget a birthday again. Bonus point if you send some snail mail their way. Label excellence. Acknowledge when someone is excellent at what they do. Not only are you lifting them up, but you are reaffirming excellence and the possibility of it in your mind. If they can do it, so you can. Always offer help. Get into the habit of asking others how you can help them. Always be thinking of the value you can bring to those around you. Wealth. Save a consistent percentage of income. If you are working on building up your savings, set aside a consistent percentage of your income to go into what account every paycheck. Keep a bank buffer. Eliminate the stresses of overdrafting your account by keeping a bank buffer. This is an account with some extra money set aside that your main account can full farm if it ever runs too low. Stop paying interest. Pay off your credit cards as fast as you can so you can avoid paying these high interest rates. It may seem like a tall mountain to climb at first, but at least make a plan to minimize the amount of time you spend paying those balances. Spiritual. Keep a gratitude journal. Recognize and acknowledge the things you are grateful for by tracking them in a gratitude journal. When we are writing this down, they become clearer in our minds. This is a great way to make gratitude a habit and recognize it with very more clarity when it appears in your lives. Default to grace. You never truly know what someone is going through in their personal life. If someone upsets you or does something that bothers you, default to grace. Don't take things personally. Know that everyone is dealing with something on their own, and you could be the person to extend that grace to them. Look for the positive. It's easy to point out the negative signs like a storm cloud in the sky, but practice looking for the positive around you instead. Recognize them as signs that can motivate you and move you forward. Legacy. Give credit to others. Make a point to give credit where it is due. Remember, the ability to recognize the talents and abilities of others does not diminish your own light. Be charitable. Give back to the organization and charities that mean something to you. If money isn't something you can give, find ways to give your time, skills, or energy. Think about your mortality. Finally, remember that you are not promised tomorrow. The only time we have for certain is right now. What will you do to make it spectacular? So, which habit you are going to start in 2021 off with? Comment below.